Hi, I'm Rob from the Dyscalculia Network, and today I'm going to talk about teaching multiplication and the 10 times table. It's important that pupils understand the concepts of multiplication and division, as they provide essential foundations for more advanced topics such as fractions and ratio and proportion. Some pupils view learning our times tables as an impossible task, however, but in reality they only need to learn the key facts. 10 times and 5 times a number are the key facts, provided that they understand the concept that multiplication can be seen as repeated addition or subtraction, and they can access these sums. Pupils also need to be aware that 10 times a quantity makes it 10 times bigger. It's also not helpful at this stage to mention a technique such as adding a zero, as this doesn't work for all decimal numbers. For lessons teaching the 10 times table, it's useful to adopt a multi-sensory approach and use things like a multiplication mat, dot patterns in each box, and a nice pen to record the numbers. Key elements of the mats include a thick line down the middle to help visualise halfway, but also help to see that 10 creates two equal groups of 5. I've also highlighted the 10s and the 5s, as these are the two key fact boxes. It's important to get the pupil to count 10 counters, as so they know that exactly 10 dots in each square. 10 squares, so that must make 100 dots. 10 times 10 equals 100. Now we have 5 squares with dots in them. There are 10 dots in each square. I can see 50 dots. 5 times 10 makes 50. 5 times 10 is 50. Now get your pupil to start by putting the 10 counters in the first box, then reading back what they've done. I can see there are 10 counters in that first box. So 1 times 10 is 10. And get them to carry on completing each square one at a time with the dot pattern for 10 correct each time. 2 lots of 10 must make 20 dots. 3 lots of 10 counters means that we have 30 counters altogether. Continue all the way up until we have all 10 boxes filled up and 100 counters. We can also use this process to calculate 6 tens. Pupils put out their 5 tens and says that we know that 5 tens makes 50. 6 is 1 more than 10. They write the extra 10 on the mat in the next box and then step counting starting at 50. So the pupil says 50, 60. 6 tens are 60. 6 lots of 10 is 60. We can also reason backwards from 10 tens to calculate 9 tens. 9 is 1 less than 10. So 9 times 10 is 100, which is for 10 tens. Take away 10. So 9 times 10 must be 90. Pupils continue to explore each fact in this way. Thank you for listening.